are you today, guys? My friends, welcome again to this channel. I'm very happy today to come back and continue our lesson Kinyarwanda and French. So let's do some revision, and I hope you remember what you have seen yesterday. Yesterday we have seen three greetings. We have seen three greetings. Do you remember them? Yes? I cannot start greeting you in those greetings in order to see if you remember those words. Mwiriwe. Thank you so much. I hope you say mwiriwe neza. Mwiriwe. Amakuru yawe. Thank you so much. I hope answering ni meza. Thank you so much. Let's now go also in French. Salut. Thank you so much. I hope that you are not answering also salut. Comment ça va? Yes, thank you so much. I hope now you are answering ça va bien, merci. Thank you so much. So today we are going to continue with our greetings. Also, we have prepared today other greetings. Are you ready? Thank you. Let us start. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. As you see, we have other greetings here on our chat. So let's see them. Let's continue together. Are you ready? Thank you. We have number one. Good morning. And as you know, in English, we answer also good morning. In Kinyarwanda, we say mwaramutse. Yes, and that one is answering mwaramutse neza. In English, in French, sorry. In French, bonjour. As you see, the answer is also bonjour. Thank you so much. Let's continue. Greeting number two. Good afternoon. As you know, in English, also the answer is good afternoon. Yes? In Kinyarwanda, mwiriwe. Yes? And the answer also is mwiriwe or mwiriwe neza. You can add neza. Neza, you can add neza also on mwiriwe. You can say mwiriwe neza. That is very nice. In French, you say bon après-midi. Yes? And the answer also is bon après-midi. Here, you can even add ça va. Comment vas-tu? As you have said yesterday, comment ça va? And the answer is, I think you are remembering well, the answer here is ça va bien, merci. So, we can say bon après-midi. The answer, bon après-midi. Ça va? The answer, ça va bien, merci. I think you are now understanding how we answer there. Yes? Let's now see number 3. Good evening. Good evening. As you know, in English, the answer is good evening. Good evening. You can even say good evening to you too. Yes? As you know. In Rwanda, we say umugoroba mwiza. Umugoroba mwiza. Yes? And the answer also is umugoroba mwiza namwe. You can even add namwe. It is like you also. Umugoroba mwiza namwe. Umugoroba mwiza. Umugoroba mwiza namwe. In French, we say bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. And the answer is also bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Yes? Hope you understanding well this greeting. Let's continue. We have also number 4. Goodbye. Goodbye. Yes? The answer is, as you know, also is goodbye. Goodbye. In Kinyarwanda, mwirirwe. Mwirirwe. Or murabeho. Murabeho. Yes, the answer is now mwirirwe. Mwirirwe. Or murabeho. Yes, in French we say au revoir. Au revoir. Also, the answer is au revoir. Au revoir. Yes. As we say goodbye, we add, as you know, see you later. See you later. Yes, as you know, the answer also is see you later. In Kinyarwanda we say tuzasubira. Yes, in Kinyarwanda we say tuzasubira. Tuzasubira. As you see, the answer also is tuzasubira. Tuzasubira. Yes. Also can say naho ubutaha. Naho ubutaha. Naho ubutaha. That means next time. See you next time. Naho ubutaha. Yes. In French, we say à la prochaine. À la prochaine. Yes. As you see, the answer also is à la prochaine. À la prochaine. À la prochaine. You see? So, let's see. Good night. Good night. As you know, we answer good night to you too. You can even add to you too. Good night to you too. Thank you. You see, in Kinyarwanda, ijoro ryiza. Ijoro ryiza. Yes, as you see, the answer also is ijoro ryiza. You can even add namwe. Ijoro ryiza namwe. Ijoro ryiza namwe. Murakoze. Yes. In French, you say bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Yes, as you see, the answer also is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Yes. So these are now our 6 greetings, of today. 6 greetings of today. So we are going now to do like a practice about them. Let's now use only Kinyarwanda and French. I don't now use English. Let's do practice right there. And when I greet you in Kinyarwanda, I hope you answer yourself. Yes? Are you ready? Let's start. Mwaramutse. Mwaramutse. Yes? Thank you so much. I hope now the answer you have already answered. Mwaramutse. Mwaramutse. Mwaramutse neza. Thank you. Mwiriwe. Mwiriwe. Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope now You say, mwiriwe neza. Mwiriwe. Yes? Aha, umugoroba mwiza. Umugoroba mwiza. Umugoroba mwiza. Thank you so much. I hope you say, umugoroba mwiza. Umugoroba mwiza namwe. Thank you. Mwirirwe. Mwirirwe. Thank you so much. I hope you are answering. Mwirirwe. Mwirirwe namwe. Yes? Murabeho. Murabeho. Thank you so much. I think yourself. You say, murabeho. Murabeho. Thank you. Huh? Tuzasubira. Tuzasubira. Yes? Thank you so much. Tuzasubira. Tuzasubira. Very nice. Mwakoze cyane. Ijoro ryiza. Ijoro ryiza. Yes? Ijoro ryiza. Ijoro ryiza. Very nice. So let's now use French. Bonjour. Bonjour. Thank you. Merci. Hein? Bonjour. Bonjour. Thank you. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Thank you. I hope you said bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Ça va? Ça va? Comment vas-tu? Can you answer? Ça va bien. Merci. Ça va bien. Merci. Thank you. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Thank you. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Wow. Au revoir. Au revoir. Yes. Au revoir. Au revoir. Thank you. À la prochaine. À la prochaine. À la prochaine. Yes. À la prochaine. À la prochaine. Thank you. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Yes. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Merci beaucoup. Aha. I hope now you are understanding well. 6 greetings of today. Yes. So, as I told you last time, I promised you a song. Let's now start singing it. And before starting, this song is called Umuntu Nyamuntu. Umuntu Nyamuntu. Umuntu Nyamuntu. It is now Kinyarwanda song. Umuntu Nyamuntu means a true human being. How can we find or recognize a true human being? Thank you so much. Let's now start singing. Are you ready to listen to me? Thank you. Let's go. Umuntu nyamuntu sisura nziza zindoro zinzeko siningendo umuntu nyamuntu sumazeshisho sumurenganya sinumurikanya umuntu nyamutima ukunda abandi. Sumecha winjira bakakangarana sumukuba kubira mungaye hafi n'irembo ishwe n'isari abakeye n'abakene usanga bisanga ndetse n'aka
wanyasara akunda amahoro akayifuriza n'abagenzi be ahora ashaka icyamuteza imbere ahora yamagana uburyamigane mu mirimo ye yitwaza umutimanama irindi icyamusiga ubuhemu ntabwo yironda ntarondaronda ubu murage bana b'u Rwanda urwo ruhanda rukwiye Afurika.